caught me. You caught me. Well, guess we're rooting now. Yeah. 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 You happy, pig? You don't like this bright light in your face? Look at your ball. Look at the ball. Hey. Hey. Cooper will get the ball. He doesn't want you playing with it. That's his ball. Get it, Goobs. Oh, okay. Go on. I know. That's yours. Drop it. Oh. Oh. All right. Dog in the lap. He took your ball. Why would he do that? Why would he do that? Oh, goofy boy. My goofy boys. Yeah. Oh well.